Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaylin. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And you might as well hit that notification bell while you're at it to stay included. Now, despite all of my makeup videos, I am going to be wearing no makeup for this. I just got out of the shower and I blow dried my hair straight, and I thought for today's video that I could show y'all a couple of my go-to hairstyles that I wear on a day-to-day basis that are they're super quick, super easy, and there is 7. Alright, let's jump in and get started. Now, for this first one, I'm going to be looking over here to the left because that's where my mirror is, so I apologize for that. Alright, now for this first hairstyle, you're going to need a hairbrush. And we're going to be parting our hair right down the middle, and a whole bunch of, well, you don't need these, but I really like getting these black rubber bands right here, or whatever color that goes with your hair. Because they're super discreet, you can't see them, and I don't know, it's kind of, I don't like it when I put my hair up and there's like a bright ponytail holder up there. It's super distracting. So we're just going to start over here. We're just going to be French braiding. And I'm not going to really get into how I French braid. If you would like a separate video on that, I can definitely make one. I'm not super good at explaining, but I will definitely try. And every time that I do this, when it's so close to my head, my hair's not super thick, so like a normal French braid, how you grab hair with both strands whenever you go to braid, I only grab hair with the bottom one because I don't have a whole lot of hair to fit into the braid, and I found that this works best for me. Alright, we're just going to be tying it off right there. And I like to go back and just pull out the strands a little bit. Okay, and we're going to do the other side. Alright, alright, and that is the first look, which I do this so much. I love it so much. I probably make a whole lot of videos while I'm wearing this hairstyle. Hairstyle number 2. We're just going to be keeping this same braids on top of our head, and we're going to be trying to part right down the middle and the back, which is a lot easier to do before you have the braids. Again, I got a hairbrush, and I'm just going to pull this to the side so that I'm not mixing it up into all this. But okay, I'm just going to take this side of our head and just kind of scoop it all up like you're doing a ponytail, a high ponytail. Alright, it should look like this. And you can stop here if you want to. I mean, it's a look still, but I'm going to keep going. And I'm just going to tease up my hair a little bit. Because I'm sure you've guessed it, but we are about to give ourselves space buns. And we don't want no little bitty buns. Nobody likes small buns. Just kidding. Fantastic. Okay. And we're just going to twist this. And wrap that around. Alright, we are on to hairstyle number 3. For this one, I am just going to be undoing this. We're going to be making another middle braid, but another middle part, but all the way back. We are just going to be French braiding. And I actually think the way that I do it, it's a Dutch braid or a reverse French braid, I think. I don't like to braid all the way down. I like to kind of cut it a little bit short because I think it looks super cute. You can braid all the way down if you want to. I like to stop it and then just pull out the braid a little bit. Now, for number 4. This one is super similar to this. So I'm just gonna take another hair off. And I'm gonna tie it off a little bit shorter or higher, my bad. Just undo these. And now for number 5, we have a low bun. So we're just gonna undo all of our hard work. Alright, so just gather all your hair like a little ponytail. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my elastic. And just take your elastic. Work out all of the bumps, and I like to just pull it halfway through and then wrap it just once so it's nice and loose, and then just kind of pull out where you need to, make it nice and messy or however you want to do it. That is our low messy bun. Alright, so we are on to hairstyle number 6. Alright, so we're going to be parting our hair down the middle. Alright, so we're just going to section about half of this. I'm going to tease that back up. Alright. Alright, time for our last hairstyle. Alright, so for this one, we are just going to be obviously taking our small little hair bows. You're going to need a couple of them. Alright, we are going to section the top of our hair. Now take this side right here, tie that off. Don't make them super tight to your head either, give them a little bit of slack. Nice. Okay, so if you're looking goofy, you're already doing it right, but we're going to go to the side and just kind of make a hole in the middle and flip it in. Flip it in. Just kind of loosen it a little bit, make that hole in the middle. Flip it in. And you're just going to go through and pull some of that hair out. And that is the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Don't forget. Oh, I'm getting tired. But yeah, if y'all would like to see more of these, just let me know in the comments, or if there's a specific video that y'all would like for me to record so that y'all can see, just let me know. And oh, I almost forgot, I will be posting a new video every Saturday and Sunday, and I'm kind of thinking that I'm gonna start on Wednesdays as well. Just an idea. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Well, I will catch y'all next time. Bye guys!